Phrases Part 2. N to Z words. 5 seconds. Now start. Need not think. Next month. Next week. No longer. Non-conventional. Non-delivery. Non-violent. Not able to. Note that the. Not in a position. Nowadays. Number of course. Of our best attention. Of our country. Of our government. Of such. Of the company. Of the country. Of the government. Of the house. Of the world. Of this country. Of this house. Of this week. Of those points. Of thousands of years ago. On account of. On behalf of the government. Once again. One or two. On their own. On the one hand. On the other hand. On the subject. On this occasion. Our company. Our country. Out of place. Out of this. Over the last 20 years. Over the matter. Part and parcel. Particularly parts of the world. Planning Commission pointed out. Point of view. Point out political parties. Postal authorities. Post diploma. Present circumstances. Proceeding officers. Primary education. Prime Minister. Question hour. Quite clear. Railway budget. Railway Minister. Rate of interest. Rates of interest regarding the return of post. Revenue matters. Right time. Rural development. Safeguard the sales tax. Same extent. Same time. Schools and colleges. Second World War. Secretaries of State. Secretary General. Send you the. Settle the 71st shareholders. Short time. Should be able to. Should be given. Should be improved. Should be made. Should not be. Should take care. Single teacher. 6 or 7 years. So as to improve the. So as to meet. Socio-economic. So far as the. So many matters. Some losses. Some other. Some parts. Some people. Some places. So that the. So that they may. So that we may. So that we may be able to. So that we may see. So that you may be. Standard of living. State governments. State of affairs. Streamline the. Stress and strain. Subject matter. Supplementary demands. Supplementary grants. Supplementary demand. Supreme Court of India. Sympathetic consideration. Tackle this. Take credit. Take into consideration. Take necessary steps. Taken part. Taken up. Takes over. Taking into account. Taking into consideration. Taking over. 10th instant. Terms and conditions. Textbooks. Thank you. That have been. That he should not be. That he will not. That he would. That is not enough. That is why. That it has not been. That it is impossible. That it is in the. That it is not enough. That it is nothing. That it is not possible. That it must have been. That it should be. That it will be. That it will be possible. That it will not be possible. That it would be. That it would have been. That the government. That there. That the matter. That the minister. That the questions. That there are. That there are some. That there has been. That there is need, that there is no such, that there must be, that there should be, that the result, that there were, that there will be, that they must, that this has, that this is not the, that this is the, that this would, that this was, that this will, that was the, that we are, that we can have, that we have, that we have been, that we have been able to meet, that we have done, that we have not, that we have now, that we have received, that we have sent, that we shall, that we want, that we were, that we will be able to, that we will be pleased, that we will continue, that we will not be able to give you, that you are, that you have, that you may be pleased, that you may make the, that you may keep the, that you may make, that you may require, that you will agree with, that you will be able to, that you will find. There are no, there has been, there have been, there is no doubt, there is no necessity, there is no place, there may not be, there should be, there will not be, there would be, there would be, they are the, they do not, they may be able to, they must not think, they will be able to make the, they will not, this government, this house, this is no time, this morning, this question, this scheme, this subject, 3 or 4 years, 3 to 4 throughout the world, to achieve, to address, to a great extent, bear in mind, to be present, to bring about, to carry out, to change, to close down, to collect the, to come up, to consider the, to create the, to deal with the, to deal with the question, to execute, to express, to face the, to find, to make it, to make people, to make some more, to make them, to make up the, to promote the, to reach the, to reduce the, to render the, to say a few words, to say that the, to send the goods, to send you the, to solve the, to some extent, to state that the, to stay, to supply you the, to take into account, to take necessary, to take over the, to take part, to take up the, to tell the, to thank you, to tell you, to the extent, to the fact that, to the government, to the house, to question, to these things, to the world, to this conference, to those who, towns and cities, to your attention, to your company, transport corporation, transport department, 2 or 3, under which unemployment upon the, up to the standard, Uttar Pradesh, various kinds, various points, very great extent, very happy to inform you, very high, very important, very little, very much, very small, very well, water supply, we are aware, we are considering the, we are glad to tell you, we are in receipt of your letter, we are much obliged, we are not able to, we are not in a position, we are pleased, we are sorry to inform you, we are surprised, we are therefore, we are told, we are very much obliged, we are very much pleased, we are very sorry, we assure you, we cannot, we could have, we do not have, we do not know, we have agreed, we have been able to, we have done, we have great pleasure, we have no doubt, we have no objection, we have not been able to, we have not received, we have to inform you, we hope and trust, we may be sure, we hope you will not, we know the welfare state, well aware, well being, well known, well maintained, well qualified, we may be able to grow, we may have, we may remember the fact that the, we regret to inform you, we shall arrange, we shall be glad, we shall be obliged, we shall be pleased, we shall be pleased, we take this, we think that, we think you will agree, we were surprised, we will be able to, we will be glad to know, we would be able to, we would like to draw your, we would like to inform you, we would like to place, we would like to tell you what has been, when the goods, when we have, when we think that the, which cannot be, which could not be, which has been, which has to be, which is the, which is to be, which should be said, which should not be, which we are able to, which will be, who has been, who have not, who will be, will agree that it is, will be able to, will be given, will have, will not be there, will only be, will take into consideration, will take necessary steps, will take note within them, with reference to your kind letter, with regard to the, with which we are worth the, would have, you are sure, you have been, you may be able to, you may be aware, you may kindly, you may pleased, you may please, you may place, your company, your kind letter, your reply, your requirement, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, you should have, you will appreciate, you will be, you will find, you will have, you will note that, you will not mind, you will surely. Stop.